Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best buffalo chicken dip, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need some cooked chicken, cream cheese, and your favorite buffalo wing sauce. For the perfect texture, shred about 2 cups of cooked chicken. Make sure your 8 ounces of cream cheese are softened to room temperature, which helps with mixing. Finally, measure out 1/2 cup of buffalo wing sauce to give it that classic kick. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the creamy foundation for our dip. In a large mixing bowl, combine the softened 8 ounces of cream cheese with the 1/2 cup of buffalo wing sauce. Mix these 2 ingredients thoroughly until they are completely smooth and well incorporated. Next, add 1/2 cup of either ranch or blue cheese dressing. This adds another layer of flavor and creaminess. Finally, stir in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, which will melt beautifully as the dip bakes. With our creamy base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Gently fold the 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken into the cream cheese and sauce mixture. Make sure the chicken is evenly coated throughout the dip. Once combined, transfer the entire mixture into a suitable baking dish. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the dip for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until it's hot, bubbly, and the cheese on top is melted and slightly golden. This ensures all the flavors meld perfectly. Your delicious buffalo chicken dip is now ready to be served. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of additional shredded cheese, a drizzle of ranch, or some freshly chopped green onions. Serve this amazing dip warm with your favorite dippers, such as sturdy tortilla chips, crunchy celery sticks, or even carrot sticks. It's truly perfect for any gathering, from casual game nights to festive parties. Any leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, ready for another tasty snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.